Okay. Okay. Don't say yes challenge, okay? Okay. This is gonna be easy to hard, by the way. Just kidding. And the challenge is in 3, 2, 1 now. Okay. Wait. Let me. Okay. Do you shower? That's the easiest. Just kidding. And do you eat? Comment no if you didn't say yes. If you said yes and comment yes. Okay? And 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 should I make more countries? Wait. I forgot about the challenge. Okay, and do you go to school? Okay. Next. Do you sleep? Okay, this is the final round. Okay. Do I look? Do I bad look? But this is the easiest. Okay, bye guys, and please like and subscribe now and 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 share and remix this up. Remix this video na. No. Okay.